Welcome to Ads Technologia. The Tecno Common 30 is a mid-range smartphone launched in early 2024 that brings a number of modern features and balanced performance, combining strong camera capabilities, a smooth display, decent battery life, and a design oriented for style and comfort. Running Android 14 with Tecno's iOS 14 skin, the Common 30 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, an octa-core processor with 2 higher-performance Cortex-A76 cores and 6 energy-efficient Cortex-A55 cores, paired with either 8 or 12 GB of RAM, plus Tecno's extended RAM via virtual RAM, and 256 GB of internal storage, which is generous for its class. The display is a large 6.78-inch FHD plus AMOLED panel, supporting 120Hz refresh rate and always-on display features, which ensures smooth scrolling and fluid motion in UI and apps. In terms of design, it measures about 165.3 by 75.3 by 7.7 mm, glass front/glass back variant, around 7.82 mm for vegan leather back. Coming in elegant color options such as Iceland Basaltic Dark, Unisalt White, and Sahara Sand Brown, along with materials like glass and an eco-leather back option for aesthetic or grip appeal. For photography, the Common 30's rear setup includes a 50MP main sensor, wide, with f/1.9 aperture, 1/1.57-inch sensor size, with PDAF and optical image stabilization, OIS, to help in low light or night shots, plus a 2MP depth sensor to help with portrait/depth effects. On the front it offers a 50MP selfie camera with autofocus. Video recording is supported up to 1440p at 30fps or 1080p at higher frame rates depending on mode. Other features include dual LED flash, HDR, panorama modes, etc. For power and battery life, it has a non-removable 5000 mAh battery and supports 70W fast wired charging, allowing the device to recharge quickly. Connectivity options are broad: dual nano SIM support, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, dual band, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, an IR blaster, FM radio, USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support. In terms of sensors, you get under-display optical fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, compass, ambient light sensor. There is also a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Common 30 aims to deliver good value, strong selfie and main cameras, fast charging, rich storage, smooth display, and all the necessary modern connectivity, though it trades off some features like ultra-wide rear cameras or full 5G support, for the base model, compared to premium phones. Overall, for users who care about photography, especially selfies, speed of charging, and a stylish look plus solid performance at this level, the Common 30 offers a competitive package.